Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Experience art in a new light with the Famer Albacore FR160. This innovation blends technology and creativity, enhancing gallery openings. Through advanced displays and interaction, the FR160 elevates art experiences, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the artist's vision. From digital exhibitions to immersive installations, it deepens connections between viewers and art. As galleries evolve into dynamic platforms for expression, the Famer Albacore FR160 takes the spotlight, amplifying the impact of each masterpiece and reshaping art appreciation for the future. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments. We're eager to hear your perspective on this transformative technology. Dive into pond revitalization with the Eco Harvester 2020. This technology redefines cleaning by efficiently removing aquatic vegetation and debris, restoring aquatic ecosystems with minimal disruption. The advanced design ensures maximum efficiency while promoting ecological health. The Eco Harvester's transformative solution benefits wildlife and communities, relying on pristine ponds for recreation and ecology, showcasing the synergy between technology and nature. Witness stagnant waters turning into vibrant habitats, a testament to innovation's role in environmental balance. Discover Hydravision's cutting-edge firefighting solutions. This advanced technology equips firefighters with state-of-the-art equipment to combat infernos and sparks effectively. The sophisticated mechanics of Hydravision fire extinguishing systems swiftly and efficiently douse flames, prioritizing rescuer safety. By redefining firefighting, Hydravision highlights innovation's critical role in enhancing community safety, protecting lives, and safeguarding property. If you have directly encountered the process of hydraulic fire extinguishing or have something to share, comment below and follow the news about innovative building technologies. Explore iron hardening, a metallurgical marvel that fortifies metals for unmatched toughness. Through meticulous heat treatment and precise cooling, raw iron undergoes a metamorphosis, emerging as a resilient and durable material. Methods like quenching and tempering bolster wear resistance and corrosion immunity. This synergy of science and technology empowers diverse sectors with dependable components. From construction to production, iron hardening augments longevity and performance, embodying the pinnacle of material strength. Explore the Panther Series 2 360 for transporting heavy machinery. With advanced hydraulics and precision controls, it streamlines the movement of massive equipment, ensuring secure transportation and operational efficiency. This technology plays a pivotal role in industries like construction and manufacturing, simplifying complex logistics. Experience the seamless fusion of power and control as this machinery redefines the way we move heavy loads, driving progress in various sectors. Stay tuned for more insights into cutting-edge machinery and its profound impact across diverse industries. Experience the extraordinary loading capabilities of the Liebherr L580 in iron ore operations. This robust machine sets new standards for efficiency and power in handling bulk materials. With state-of-the-art features, it excels at loading iron ore onto trucks and transport vehicles, seamlessly bridging mining sites and processing plants. The Liebherr L580 assumes a pivotal role in streamlining production and logistics, showcasing its reliability and impact in the mining industry's intricate supply chain. Discover efficient wood loading with the Wagner L60. This powerhouse redefines timber handling with precision and productivity. By expertly loading and transporting wood, it optimizes forestry operations and supply chains. From forests to lumber yards, witness the Wagner L60's capability to handle diverse wood sizes, contributing to sustainable resource management. Experience innovation as it transforms wood loading, playing a crucial role in the forestry industry's growth. Have you witnessed the Wagner L60 in action? Share your observations below and contribute to the discourse on advancing forestry operations. Experience the forefront of firefighting technology with the Thermite RS1 and EMI controls systems. These advanced solutions revolutionize fire suppression, elevating safety measures and operational effectiveness. The Thermite RS1 employs cutting-edge technology to rapidly and effectively extinguish fires, while EMI Controls offers intricate fire management capabilities. Whether in industrial settings or urban environments, observe how these systems mitigate fire-related risks, preserve property, and reinforce the indispensable significance of innovation in ensuring optimal fire safety protocols. Improve your waste transfer stations with the Volvo L110E and JCB JS220 Holophane systems. This system simplifies waste management by ensuring efficient loading and transportation. The Volvo L110E handles heavy loads, while the JCB JS220 excels at universal material handling. This duo optimizes the transportation of waste, increasing sustainability and efficiency. Integrated, innovative technology demonstrates more environmentally friendly waste operations. Intrigued by Holophane recycling? Share below your thoughts on the impressive railroads you've come across. Embark on a captivating journey into the world of canal construction, where engineering expertise meets the flow of waterways. Delve into the complex art of planning, executing precise excavations, and managing water strategically. Witness the transformative power of heavy machinery such as dredgers, excavators, and concrete pumps as they sculpt and mold these vital aquatic passages. These engineering marvels not only facilitate transportation, but also enable efficient irrigation and community development, showcasing the harmony between human innovation and the natural world. Delve into the world of efficient sand loading with the Komatsu WE 1850-3, a powerhouse in material handling. This cutting-edge machine boasts exceptional capabilities for loading and transporting sand with unparalleled precision and speed. From bustling construction sites to demanding industrial operations, the Komatsu WE 1850-3 revolutionizes material logistics, enhancing productivity and resource management. Discover the art of collecting lawn bales with the Turf Cutter 610, a specialized machine designed for efficient turf management. This innovative equipment excels in harvesting and collecting lawn bales with precision and care. From sports fields to landscaping projects, the Turf Cutter 610 streamlines the process of collecting and transporting turf, optimizing maintenance operations, and enhancing the aesthetics of outdoor spaces. Witness how this advanced technology revolutionizes turf management, providing a seamless integration of functionality and performance that contributes to the upkeep of green environments. Explore the art of chain link fencing production, where meticulous craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology unite. The process starts with precise wire weaving, creating the iconic diamond pattern. Automated machines, like the innovative Robo Weaver, boost efficiency by weaving wires with speed and accuracy. This versatile fencing solution finds applications in various industries, from security to agriculture. Experience the synergy of tradition and innovation as chain link fencing production evolves, providing reliable solutions for perimeter protection and enclosure needs. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!